just sitting here, chilling with all the deer in the sun. It's all going quite well, all quite smoothly. They haven't been spooked by me yet. Actually got a load of lovely deer poo right next to me. But these fallow deer over here are actually non-native species to the UK. They were originally introduced by the Normans from Asia, but now they're actually one of the most common deer in the UK, after being released for hunting and escaping from parks not long after they were first introduced.
Last time